Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys step by step how to use Auber PID you just installed on your Rancilio Silvia. I hope you guys are enjoying your new PID on your Rancilio Silvia. So let's get going here. So once you turn on the power, this brew button is no longer works. Okay, it's not working anymore. The reason is all the control is handled by your new PID. Okay, so if you want to turn on your machine, now you have to press that button right there, the second button to the right. So now let's start your brewing process. Okay, so let's go through the PID, the programming setup. Okay, so let's take a look. So once you get into program mode, start with the set. And then you have to go all the way to the right. So this button is moved to the right. And then set to 1. So this mode get into your program mode. SU stands for, so this one control the boiler temperature. Right now currently set at 220, okay? So 220 Fahrenheit, that's the boiler temperature, not the group head temperature, but boiler temperature, okay? So I set at 220, go back, and then go to next mode, is AH1, okay, so that's like your steaming temperature as well, AH1 and AR1. I set a default temperature there, so let's take a look. I'm at 283. I'm just going to leave it alone. Next one is the AR1, the 284. Okay, I'm going to just leave it at default temperature as well. Next one is TP. Okay, that's the pre-infusion time. Set. I set at 2.5 seconds. If you want to, you can set at 2.4 seconds. 2.3 is all up to you. You know what? Let's set at 2.3 for now. Set. Next one. TD is a delay time. So that's the when the pre-infusion and then brewing start. Right now, I'm currently set at 2.5 seconds. Again, if you want to change to 2.4, you could do that as well. It's all up to you. So next mode is, so this is the brewing time, TB. Currently I set at 29 seconds. So that one I set at 29 because sometimes I usually manually stop. But again, you could set up at 28 seconds if you want to, 27 is all up to you. So you know what, let's set at 28 seconds. Set. And that end. Now you're all good to go. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down below. And see you guys next time.